Going back to SLA management tool. SLA is a service level agreement. This feature allows admins to ensure that an outlined commitment between a service provider and a customer, including details of the service and the standards of service the provider must adhere to and other regulations, is met. In order to create an SLA management rule, click the plus button in the top right corner of the page. Then you need to paste information about a customer in the empty fields. So let's say it's customer 1. So name, customer 1. Give a brief description. Set status to active, set priority, and rule type, rule alert. This is the only option. Then you need to add rules by clicking the gray arrow, pressing conditions, and press add conditions twice. We have two options from the drop-down menu. You need to select both and paste it into both fields, so courier type and order status. And remember that these conditions are coexisting, i.e. they cannot exist without each other. So what courier type means, it allows admins to indicate the type of delivery. The next field that we need to fill in is equal to, not equal to, greater than, depending on your requirements. Set equal to. And then courier type, again, let's recall that courier type is a delivery type, and we can select an express delivery type. And then order status, it allows admins to create timeframes for order status update, i.e. if an order has remained in one chosen status past the given time frame, the system will automatically highlight the order red to remind an admin to update the status order. Simply put, this feature enables visual triggers whenever the status update exceeds the given time frame for a specific delivery type. So again, fill in the field equal to, pick the status, any status that you want from a drop-down menu. Let's pick partial complete. The time frame for order status is set to 10 minutes, with the status being partial complete. This would imply that an admin should update the order status within 10 minutes to comply with the type of delivery selected previously. In case of failure, the system will highlight this specific order red as a visual trigger for an admin to update the status. Note that a time frame should be indicated in minutes. To save the changes and add the rules to the system, click the double tick button located in the bottom right corner of the page.